welcome back. This is the second episode of a Euro Truck series. I've done a little bit of work on this side, trying to, because I wanted the next episode to be focused on my own truck, not driving for a different company. So I did a few missions, and I have a considerable amount, 28,000. I figure we go to a dealer. Sorry about that. And we try and buy one. So we're gonna go to purchase truck here. Oh my God, $151,000. Guess I'm not buying a truck right now. Thought you might like to know that we offer favorable loans. Oh, you're supposed to take out a loan? So I have 30,000 on my own. If I need 100,000, I can just buy my own truck. I think this is a smart thing to do here. See if I can buy that blue one. I like the blue one. Or I can't afford it. Go white, orange, cobalt blue, passion red. Let's see. Alright, we're just gonna try and save some money here, so we're gonna go with white. I have my own shipping truck right now. This is awesome. I can start my company and I can do my own thing. Cutscene. A thing. I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty sweet looking truck. Ooh, chemicals. We can do chemicals. $11,000? My gosh. Okay, so price. Yeah, we'll definitely do it for that kind of money. Alright, so where do I gotta go now? I go out this way. No, nope. That's a shed. That's my shed. Is it that I'm 8 hours away? Oh my goodness. I didn't even see that bus full of tourists. Whew. Woo. Out of the way, bombs. Dude, I'm just speeding. I'm taking damage too. Oh my gosh, I've never driven without a trailer before. I'm so much more agile. You know, this doesn't bode well for me if I'm supposed to be, transporting chemicals coming up here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was unfortunate. No more messing up. As of right now, perfect run. Speed run. Can you go around this guy? Can you go around? Gotta go around. Excuse me, sir. Speed run. You know what? Screw it. I can afford a few tickets. Oh, this is gonna be a long session. I expect plenty will be cut. That's a nice lake. It's a very pretty lake. I like this song. Oh. Don't rock out and drive at the same time. Unless you're really, really good at it. Okay. Get it. Oh, nope. You jerk. You bum. Just lay on the horn. Maybe that'll make him go faster, right? I'm gonna go around. I'm a little impatient here, and you are ruining my speedrun record. Don't worry, I can make it up in the later stretches. Wait, he was transporting chemicals, so why can't I just take his? Right. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little crane. I like the cranes. Oh, handle curve. Yeah, that was nicely done. Genevieve. Alright, I gotta go left. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna take this moment to really figure out just how to use my freaking turn signals. If only I had arms, I could just press it. Oh. Left and right turn indicators are the brackets. It's like all the way across the keyboard, though. How am I supposed to use that? But, see? Finally, jeez. Okay. Alright, turn your left. Making my left turn. My indicator is on. Orange car. Nope, black car. my car. I'm gonna make it. Woo! I'm still doing 90. Yep. Yeah, I heard you the first time, bud. No. Beep. 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 Oh my. Oh no. No. Beep. Oh. Oh, this is a cool bridge. Look at it. Yeah, speeding. I get it. I wonder what the bed means. I think that means I have to sleep, right? Let's try and figure this out. I have no idea how to do this. I am in the spot. My engine is turned off. Go to sleep. Off-roading. Okay, here we go. Maybe this is it. Oh, here we go. E. Yes. This is a nice truck. Oh, come on, man. Can't do that. Can't be doing that. Oh, you know what? I was too occupied with playing the game that I completely forgot to miss. We'll continue this in a second. Continue this. Okay. Alright, gotta get back on the freeway here. Is it called a freeway there? In the Europe? I feel like I'm gonna have to get a ticket for this. Oh, yep. Wrong way offense. Yes, I know. What do you want me to do about it? Oh, come on, come on. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you. You need to move. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry. It's so spacious in here. I wish I could have like a dog or something right here. Oh my. Oh, come on. That's a lot of damage. Well, I guess I gotta repair it, right? Crap. Alright, I'm now losing money on this. I've come to the conclusion that owning your own truck sucks. Oh, what happened to like the super expensive one? Maybe I can just take one of these trailers. Let's see, 7, 6, 6. Okay, this one, obviously. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Gotta hitch up the trailer. I'm good at things, remember? Well, I certainly didn't hit that pole, so yeah, we're good. Turning. Turn over here. Alright. Oh, this is painfully slow. Oh, at least this is kind of fun. Oh my gosh, yes, Men at Work. Dude, come on, this is it's a great song. "6'4", full of muscles. I said, "Do you speak my language? Eat a smile, get my sandwich." 25 minutes away. This has been a gruelingly long trip. The song's over. So, like I said, I've been doing some missions, and I've gotten significantly better at parking these trucks. So, prepare to be amazed. Here we go. Here we go. Yes! I'm the best. I did good work. Look at that. Up to level. I'm an enthusiast. I am enthused. Now what? Okay, cool. I don't have the thing anymore. All right. Well, this is the end of another successful run. I'd like to thank you all for sticking with me and watching. Again, check out my YouTube channel. I've got a bunch of different videos on there now. My Legend of Zelda series is ongoing and is being updated daily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I could always use more followers. And I just opened up a Twitter account, so follow me again at Robodactyl, or at Robodactyl, at Robodactyl. So yeah, and I hope to hear from you guys soon, and I'll keep you guys posted. All right, have a good night.